this is by far the fastest way to become very fast at this instrument. And once you have that technique up and running at a level where you really master it, learning alternate picking, learning sweep picking, learning all kinds of other techniques will really be much, much easier because you have the confidence and the identity of being one of those guys who can produce that fluent, fast sound on your instrument. I use this technique all the time, and most of the time you don't even hear it or you don't notice it because it's so ingrained into all kinds of other stuff. And we're going to look at how to really get there, how to use this technique so it becomes a natural part of your picking techniques and everything else. Look at how to do it on an acoustic guitar, which was really my challenge when I started. And we're really going to go into how exactly to perform the technique, what exactly goes on, what are the challenges between the different fingers, between the different little techniques we use to produce the notes. And secondly, we're going to come up with a practice method, a methodical way of going from A to C to get this skill of really mastering legato. The third thing that I'm going to make sure that we do here is getting you inspired by specifically going into this technique and showing you how you can actually become a master at it at a level where I'm going to convince you that you can do it, at a level where you see the actual mechanics of it and then you test and try out the different methods to the point where you get completely confident that you can learn to master this technique at an incredible level.